morning once again. Welcome to my channel. Our lesson for today is all about divisibility rules. What is divisibility rule? It is the property of a number which makes it able to contain another number an exact number of times without any remainder after division. Okay, divisibility rules. The number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Like for example, 228. It ends with number 8. So this is divisible by 2. Okay, we have here more examples. 347. It ends with a number 7. So this is not divisible by 2. 6,572 ends with a number 2. So this is divisible by 2. Another example ends with a number 4. Yes. 3 not divisible by 2. 9 not divisible by 2. 1 not divisible by 2. 0, yes, it is divisible by 2. Then 6, yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay. Rule. The number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Okay, example. 459. Okay, the sum of all digits. So 4 plus 5 plus 9. So the answer is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So the number 459 is divisible by 3. Okay, we have here more examples. Examples. 347. So let us find the sum of all digits. 3 plus 4 plus 7. This is 14. So 14 is not divisible by 3. This number is not divisible by 3. 72. The sum of 72. The sum of the digit 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 72 is divisible by 3. How about this one? 3 plus 8 plus 4. This is 15. Yes, divisible by 3. 23. 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is not divisible by 3. 1 plus 8 plus 9. 18. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4, 20. This is not divisible by 3. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Yes, this is divisible by 3. 3 plus 2 plus 6 equals 11. So this is not divisible by 3. Okay, next rules. The number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4 or the last two digits are zeros. Okay, like for example, 464. The last two digits are divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 4. Or another example is 400. The last two digits are zeros. So this is divisible by 4. All numbers that ends with 2 zeros are divisible by 4. Okay, let us look these examples. 344. 44 is divisible by 4. Yes. 720. 20 is divisible by 4. Yes. 384. 84 is divisible by 4. Check. How about 23? This is not divisible by 4. 89. This is not divisible by 4. How about 34? This is not divisible by 4. How about 10? This is not divisible by 4. 28. Yes, this is divisible by 4. Okay, another rules. The number is divisible by 5 if the last digit ends with 5 or 0. The last digit is 5 or 0. Example, 555. Okay, 5 ang nasa dulo. So, this is divisible by 5. Or let's say 560. It ends with 0. So, this is divisible by 5. Okay, another. The number is divisible by 6 if a number is also divisible by 2 and 3. For example, 252. So 252 is divisible by 2 since it ends with a number 2. Then if we get the sum of all its digits, 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 9. So this is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Okay, we have here more example. 522. So this is divisible by 2 because it ends with a number 2. Then if we add all the digits, 5 plus 2 plus 2, this is 9. So this is divisible by 6 rather. How about 1140? It ends with a 0. So this is divisible by 2. Then if we get the sum, 1 plus 1 plus 4, this is 6. Yes, this is divisible by 3. So this is divisible also by 6. How about 384? This is divisible by 2. Then 3 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 15. This is divisible by 2 and 3. And this is also divisible by 6. How about 123? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Yes, divisible by 3, but not divisible by 2 because it ends with the number 3. So this is not divisible by 6. How about 189? This is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 2. How about this 7,534? This is divisible by 2. But how about divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. This is 19. So this is not divisible by 6. 7,710. This is divisible by 2. 7 plus 7 plus 1. 15. So this is divisible by 2 and 3. So this is also divisible by 6. 328. Divisible by 2. 3 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 13. So this is not divisible by 6. Okay, another rules. The number is divisible by 7 if it has a remainder of 0 when divided by 7. Or if you double the last digit of the number and then subtract it from the remaining digit number. If the result is divisible by 7, then the original number will also be divisible by 7. Okay, we have here an examples. 812. Okay, let us double the last digit, then subtract from the remaining digits. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Subtract. 84 minus 4, this is 77. So this is divisible by 7. Okay, next. 665. Let us double the last digit. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then subtract from the remaining digits, 66. 66 minus 10 is equal to 56. 56 is not divisible by 7. So 665 is not divisible by 7. Okay, 4088. Let us double the last digit, 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 408 minus 16. So this is 2. Then 392. Double the last digits again. 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then subtract from 39. The answer is 35. 35 is divisible by 7. So 4088 is divisible by 7. Okay. Another rules, divisibility rules. The number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8 or ends of zeros, 3 zeros. So example, 1664. 664 is divisible by 8. So this is divisible by 8. Another example, 2432. The last 3 digits, 432, is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Or another example is 9000. Ends with 3 zeros. So this is divisible by 8. More examples. 5824. The last 3 digits, 824, is divisible by 8. So 5824 is divisible by 8. How about 125,032? The last 3 digits is 0, 2, and 0, 3, and 2. These digits are divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. How about 57,000? Yes, because it ends with 3 zeros. Okay. Next rules. The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits are divisible by 9. Okay, example is 5418. 5418. If we add all the digits, 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 18. This is divisible by 9. So 5,418 is divisible by 9. Okay. Another examples, 5,823. Let us add all the digits. 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3. This is 18. So this is divisible by 9. How about 125,032? 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2. So this is 13. This is not divisible by 9. How about 1,217,007? 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. So this is 18. This is divisible by 9. Okay. Next rules. We have here, the number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. So all the numbers that ends with 0 are divisible by 10. Example, 100, 200, 370, 490, 1,260,630. It ends with 0. Okay, these are all divisible by 10. Okay, next, divisibility rule. The number is divisible by 11 if the last digit after subtracted from the remaining digit give a difference of 0 or divisible by 11. Example of this is 583. 583. So subtract the last digit from the remaining digits. 58 minus 3. This is 55. So 55 is divisible by 11. Okay, more example. 539. Okay, let us subtract the last digit. Last digit is 9. 53 minus 9. This is 44. 44 is divisible by 11. So 539 is divisible by 11. How about 946? Let us subtract 6 from 94. This is 88. 88 is divisible by 11. So 946 is divisible by 11. So 518. Let us subtract 8 from 51. The answer is 43. 43 is not divisible by 11. So 518 is not divisible by 11. Okay? The number is divisible by 12 if it is both divisible by 3 and 4. For example, 384. So this is divisible by 3 since if we add all the digits, 3 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So 384 is divisible by 3. Then this is also divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So 384 is also divisible by 12. Okay, more example. 816. So 8 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 15. So this is divisible by 3. And the last 2 digits is also divisible by 4. So 816 is divisible by 12. How about 300? 300 is divisible by 3, and because it ends with 2 zeros, this is also divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 12. How about 524? 24 is divisible by 4. But if we add 5 plus 2 plus 4 equals 11, this is not divisible by 3. So 524 is not divisible by 12. How about 72? 7 plus 2 equals 9. So divisible by 3. Then 72 is divisible by 4. So this is divisible also by 12. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you are not yet subscriber of my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. Okay, see you in my next video.